How to lock cells in Excel. Okay, so first of all, what we want to do here is look for Manage Protection. Now that we're here, you can select this to be on or off. Once it's on, everything will be protected, meaning the cells are locked. You can also select to add a password to make this even more secure, and you can select to unlock specific cells for people to fill in information without changing other. So I'm just going to click Add Range, and let's say I want people to be able to change this here. That would be my selection here, and simply click Save. Now, everything else is protected, but this can be changed, but not the rest. And that's how you lock cells in Excel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing.